Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonfida. As in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you a very huge falling wedge pattern that Bonfida has formed on a 7 days time frame chart, and this is one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally we have broken out this wedge. And so far, from this low, when we were testing the support of the wedge here, up till this current high, you can see that it has rallied almost 397%, almost 400%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 70 cents. And you can see that this 70 cents has been previously breaking, almost breaking at the resistance here. And here for several weeks, it has been breaking at the resistance. And now again, for a few weeks, it broke at the resistance. And now recently, we have broken down this very significant support of 35 cents as well. That was previously breaking as a support here, resistance here, and now it can again break as a resistance for the price. And in fact, it is breaking as a resistance. You can see that after the breakdown, the price then moved up, tried to break it out, but could not break it out and still moving below this resistance of 35 cents. At the same time, there is also a formation of this head and shoulder pattern as well. There is a bearish bias move. And right now you can see that the price end has completed the right shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern. And on a daily time frame chart, by the way, we have a very good news here because here it is forming a small falling wedge pattern. This is the resistance of this newly formed, falling wedge pattern, and this is the support of this wedge. And now the price and it once again read the resistance of this wedge. By the way, here we got the resistance, and this was the last rejection that was happening here. This is the bullish path pattern, and we will also take a look at this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bonfida that I shared, by the way, on 13th of December 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Bonfida formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very, very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 87%, very, very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bonfida. And here on this daily time frame chart, you can see that recently Bonfida has formed this falling wedge pattern. By the way, this is a bullish bias pattern. Therefore, this is a very nice and bullish news on the daily time frame chart, and the price end is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time, it can break this pattern. For example, if the price end breaks down the support of this wedge, then target to the downside can be here. And in that situation, we can also break down this next support of 21.5 cents as well. And the target can be approximately at 17.96, almost at 18 cents. And in case of breaking out the wedge, the target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 47.9 cents or 48 cents. And in that situation, we can again break out this long-term resistance of 35 cents as well. And by the way, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we had a nice short rally after breaking out this very huge falling wedge pattern, but the price line could not break out this long-term resistance of 70 cents. And after the rejection, the price line is now forming a head and shoulder pattern as well. Therefore, breaking out this wedge will be very significant. If the price line breaks out the wedge and breaks out this right shoulder, the highest price of the right shoulder, that will be approximately at 49 cents, then this move can be invalidated, and there will be a probability that the price line can also break out the head of this head and shoulder pattern that is here at 70 cents. And over there, we have a very long-term resistance as well. Therefore, breaking out this wedge will be very important, and breaking out this right shoulder will be very, very significant, because after breaking out this right shoulder, it can also try to break out the head of this head and shoulder pattern as well. By the way, the right shoulder and the left shoulder are almost at the same level, and these shoulders are approximately here at 48 cents, by the way. You can see that previously this was the highest price of this left shoulder, and this is the highest price of the right shoulder. And now, in case of breaking down the neckline of this inverse of this head and shoulder pattern, then in case, by the way, we have the neckline here, but we also have a very strong support and long-term support here at 21.15 cents. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support as well. However, in case of breaking down this head and shoulder pattern, the target to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at 9.3 cents. And in that situation, the pricing can again retest the previous resistance of this falling wedge pattern that was previously broken out, or it can also try to re-enter the same falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, the technical target for this big falling wedge pattern breakout, that move is still due. And that target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $9 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.